So in this video we are going to calculate the sum of numbers starting from 1 up to 100, and we will also derive a general formula for calculating the sum of numbers starting from 1 up to any given number n, and we will also verify the formula using weak mathematical induction. So let's start. We have here 1 plus 2 plus 3 100. So we can write every two numbers as pair. We will choose first one and the last one, and then we will choose the second one and second last one, and then we will choose third one and third last one, and so on. In this way we will get in total 150 pairs of 101, each summing up to 101. So we can multiply 50 by 101, that is 5050. So we actually 100 numbers we have in total, so we are making pairs of them. So every pair has two numbers, that means we have 50 pairs in total. And if we add every number in this way, first with the last one, second with the second last, third with the third last, and so on, we will get each number summing up to 101. So, and in the end we will multiply 101 to 50, and we will get result as 5050. And now we will derive a formula for calculating the sum of numbers starting from 1 up to any number n. So 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus n. So whereas n is a natural number, so we will get same way. We will get n divided by 2 pairs of n plus 1 numbers. That is n into n plus 1 divided by 3. We have to prove now this formula, if this is valid, using mathematical induction. So our base case would be n is equal to 1. We will check if formula is valid for the base case. 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by 2, that is equal to 1. And then we will say, we will go on to inductive step. We assume for any number k that is bigger than or equal to 1, that 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to k, the formula holds. So this is induction hypothesis. So this is our hypothesis, and now we will check for this one, as therefore we assumed that this is okay for k, and now we will check it. If our inductive hypothesis is correct, then it also must be correct for the next number, that is k plus 1. We will check it for k plus 1. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus k into k plus 1. On the other side, k into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus k plus 1. So we added this number on the both sides, so we should k into k plus 1 divided by 2 plus 2 into k plus 1. So this is same. We can take this as common. We can write k plus 1 k plus 2 divided by 2. So k plus 1 into k plus 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So this is the number k plus 1, and it is, if we say that k plus 1 is equal to a number j, then we can say that j into j plus 1 divided by 2. So this formula holds for this one. That means it also holds for k. So that was it, and we will now write a program that will calculate the sum of numbers starting from 1 to any given number n. So now we will write a program in Python to calculate the sum of numbers starting from 1 up to 100. So Gauss formula, we have to define a function Gauss formula that is taking n and returning us n into n plus 1 divided by 2, and n should be equal to 100 as in our example. Then let's print Gauss formula that is taking n as input. So let's compile it and run it. Python 3 Gauss formula, that is 50-50, so it's working. We can also change the number. Let's say we want to calculate a smaller one, say 5. So for 5 is 15, and that's correct. So that was all for now. Thank you for watching the video, and I will see you in next video. Thank you.